Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you or I'm going to give you tips to earn or get money in Olympia roblox game. So Olympia is a great game for making money, but it can be a bit daunting to know where to start. In this video I'm going to share with you all of my best tips for making money in Olympia. So the first one, for the first tip to get or make money in Olympia is to do quest. So guys, quests are the greatest way to earn some quick cash in Olympia game. So they are usually pretty easy to complete the quest, and they give you a decent amount of money. So and the second one to make money is work jobs. There are variety of job available in the Olympia, each of which pay a different amount of money. Some of the best jobs for making money include the lumberjack, miner, and the fisherman. And the third one is to make money is to invest in businesses. Once you have money saved and you can start investing in the businesses, this is a great way to make passive income, and you will earn money even when you're not playing the game. And the fourth one is you can trade with your players. So if you have some great items, you can trade with them with other players for even more money. And this can be a great way to make a quick profit, but it's important to be careful not to get scammed. And the fifth one, guys, is a bit tricky. So if you are looking for more advanced way to make money in Olympia, you can use a script. The scripts are a program that can be automate tasks in the game and allowing you to make money faster. However, it is important to use a script responsibly, as they can be bannable. So I hope these tips help you make money in Olympia. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.